Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. A plus rewards in GCash. So A plus rewards in GCash, it is prizes that you can get from GCash and low exchanges for something. For example, in Play Store, credits, low credits, and you can get exclusive deals in A plus rewards. But it is only exclusive at GCash only. So right here, we're gonna click A Rewards, A plus Rewards. Once you are here, you'll see all the available things that you can buy for a very low price. For example, right here, okay, check. Here, there's only 1 pesos for Google Play X Code M 70 pesos gaming pass. But here, it is only available for 1 pesos. But if you're gonna play this on the Google Play, on the Call of Duty, you will have to pay 70 pesos, but here you only have to pay 1 pesos. Same as Grab. As you can see, the Food Panda voucher is only 609 pesos. It gives lower prices. And that's not it. You can win 100,000 pesos if you free spin. As you can see right now, we're gonna try a free spin. I got the free spin. It will retry again every 24 hours. So let's go, free spin. Let's see. What do we get? And we got a Steam reward. Yay! Let's get that, close that. And if you want another chance to spin the wheel, you just need to click on go. Then buy one item here. So I'm gonna buy maybe this one. The 1 peso. There we go. As you can see, oops, you reach upper limit, so we are not allowed to buy that. So we're gonna check here. What else can we buy? Oh, what about this? Let's buy this. This one. No, come on. Let's see here. What else we can buy? I believe that's it. Oh, right here. There we go, Timo. Okay, let's buy it for 1 pesos. Loading. Let's pay it. There we go, done. There we go. Let's go back to our spin the wheel. And we're back here. Just refresh it. And there we go. Let's go spin it. See what we got. Let's see what will we get. And we will get no, it's almost close to 100,000 pesos, but it's okay. And there's a lot of things that you can do here, like win exclusive skin and win characters and weapons if you play Code M, and grab and free vouchers. So I suggest you guys explore the A plus rewards in GCash, because I'm sure you're gonna get a low price items and you could able to win prizes. Hope you guys like the video and hope you guys learned something. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.